Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be swapping the tires on our go-kart here. All I'm going to have to do is jack this thing up in the air and use my tire spoons to remove the old tires. I'm going to try and do this without taking the wheels off, but we'll see if I succeed or not. Okay, the cart is in the air. You can see this tire is just all messed up. It was all worn improperly. But anyway, I got these much better tires that we're going to put on here. And so all I'm going to do now is just use my tire spoons to try and lift the tire over the rim. So we'll start with this right here. I might have to use two hands, but I'll come back and show you what's going on. I just got the tire spoon underneath the tire there, and I should be able to just pull this thing over the rim like that. So yeah, I'm going to get the other spoon in there, pull it off from this other side, and we should be almost good to go. All right, starting to get it to come off now, and so now I'm just going to slide one of the spoons around the edge right there and pop off the rest. Wasn't too bad, just went around with the tire spoons here and got it to where I could get some leverage on it and pull this thing out. There we go, boom. So now we'll see if we can get one of these tires on. I'm gonna have to jack this up a little higher though. All right, so these are directional tires. See the V, I'm gonna have that pointing forward. And now I'm just gonna kind of try to get this into that part right there, and then I'll just put some force on it and see if I can get that over the lip of the rim on there. And I might actually use the jack to put some downward pressure on this so it'll pop the rest of that on there. It's like just using my fist to hit it on there is working pretty well. So I'm gonna do that and see if we can get this on all the way. Perfect, we are on that side of the wheel. So now I'm just gonna get this over here and I'll use the tire spoons for that. Hopefully it goes on without a hitch. Well, unfortunately this was being too much of a pain to do while the tire was still on the car, or the wheel still on the cart. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it on the ground here. Be a lot easier because it's not gonna move around. Just using some vice grips in my knee to kind of give leverage on the tire, and then just going around and pushing it down. A little hard to do with one hand, so that's why I keep putting the camera down. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of a pain in the butt, but I got it. So let's release that. Whew, should be ready to add some air to this bad boy. All right, let's go try that. Compressor ready. So we'll see if we can get this bad boy to seal. Look at that. There we go. Filling up. Add a little more. Perfect. We are good to go. So, yes, was it a pain in the butt? But was it better than spending like $20 at Walmart or some other tire shop to get it done? Yes. Would I do it again? Yes. Anyway, you guys have fun with any of your projects. Let's go start the other side.